what's up guys? So I'm shooting this video with my new iPhone 8 Plus, so let me know in the comments how it looks, bad or good, and I'll see if I'm going to use it in the future. So if you regularly have passengers in your Tacoma, you know that the passenger floor mat moves around like the passengers having a dance party over there, and it's kind of annoying.
Tell me where the freak's at.
So I bought some Eagle Claws, and I'm going to show you what comes in the kit and kind of how it works. So in the Eagle Claw kit you get some instructions, and then everything you need is in this little package. It has a cutter for cutting the floor mat, and then the anchors, and then the screws that go into the anchors. And it looks pretty simple, so I'm going to put these in and kind of show you guys how it works. See, after one short car ride, the floor mat is pushed all the way up this far forward. So the first thing we're going to do is cut 2 holes in the mat where we want them to anchor to the floor. Since these are rubber mats, they'll probably be a little bit tougher, but there it is. And we'll do one more over here on this side. And there we go, 2 holes. So the first thing we're gonna do is put the cap in the first hole, and then there's a washer that goes on the back. And then that washer has to snap over where the threads are, so kind of like that. And then we take the anchor and we thread it on to that cap. Alright, we've got both the anchors threaded on. You want to thread them on until they're flush with the cap. So I got them done on both sides. And then you're going to put the mat in place where you want it. Right there. Now I'm sitting in the passenger seat. I'm going to use the heel of my shoe to kind of stomp on the anchors and push them into the carpet. We'll do it on the other side. So now the floor mat is stuck in place. And then if you want to pull it out, all you got to do is untighten these, and they come out, and the anchor's stuck there. And you can just hand tighten them back in. There we go. That's it. Super easy. So there you go guys, that was super easy, really awesome. Now my floor mat's not going to roll around everywhere when a passenger's sitting in the passenger seat. So if this helped you, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions, I'll answer them, and then hit that subscribe button if you want to see more later. Thanks for watching. Later guys.